Basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship includes the following terms. GM, metacentric height. This is how far the ship's center of gravity G is from the metacenter M. If GM is big, the ship is strong and does not tip easily. Kg, center of gravity height. This is how high the center of gravity G is from the bottom of the ship, keel. Lower Kg makes the ship more stable. Km, metacenter height. This is how high the metacenter M is from the keel. The metacenter is the point where the water flows up when the ship leans. Kb, center of buoyancy height. This is how high the center of buoyancy B is from the keel. This is the point where the water leaves the ship. Gg, righting lever. This is the distance between the ship with G and the buoyancy B when the ship lands. Bigger Gg, stronger force to bring ship back upright. Other term. B, center of buoyancy, where water flows up. M, metacenter point of stability. G, center of gravity where weight. S, angle of heel, how much the ship lends. So all these terms help explain why a ship can float and stay upright. GM and GG tell us how strong the ship is against tipping. KB, KM, and KG tell us where the weight and water force are, so we know if the ship is safe.
The first is metacentric height. This is a measure of a ship's initial stability. A higher GM value signifies better initial stability. And the second one is initial stability. This refers to a ship between the vertical force applied its two sides. And the third one is stability of a ship. This is the ship's tendency to return to its original upright position after an external force is applied or removed.
Factors affecting stability. Whole ship, kung mas lapad ang barko, mas stable siya usually, or mas lapad, mas lisod matumba. Draft, how deep the ship sits in water. Kung unsa ka lawom ang barko sa tubig. Trim, difference between forward and aft draft. Kung dili parehas ang unahan ug likod, na siya ay trim. Cargo loading. High cargo reduce stability. Free surface effect. Kung naay liquid sulod sa tank nga dili puno, maglihok-lihok ang tubig ug maka-reduce sa GM o baba ang stability. Simple summary sa weight acts downward at G or center of gravity. Ang buoyancy musaka pataas gikan sa B, center of buoyancy. When ship tails, mubalhin ang buoyancy. If M is above G, stable ang barko. Ang GM nagpakita kung unsa ka stable ang barko.